Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will find area by decomposing shapes into rectangles. All right, now let's take a look at our shape. So we want to find the area of this shaded shape. So remember, area is how much space we take up on a 2D level, right? So length, the formula for area is length times width. Now, this is a formula for a rectangle. However, our shape right over here, it's not a rectangle, right? It looks a little different. So how do we find the area of a shape like this? Well, we can do it one of two ways. I can go ahead and split my shape into two rectangles. So now I have a rectangle here and a square, which is a special type of rectangle up here. So now I can go ahead and I can count how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the area of this is 8. Or if I want to use my formula, the length over here is 2. And I have 4 square units over here. So we can do 2 times 4, which equals 8. So we have the area 8. And then over here, we have 2 squares over here and then 2 squares over here. So the area is 4. So we have 2 different areas for our shape. So now all I have to do is add them together. So I have 4 plus 8 because I want to find out the total area of everything all together. So 4 plus 8 is 12. So the area is 12 square units. Now, this is one way we could solve this. Another way could be, the other way we can do is we see that this kind of looks like a square, except this part right here is missing. So what I can do is I can go ahead and find the area of my large square, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4 units on this side and 1, 2, 3, 4 units on this side. We're going to pretend this whole square is filled up. So if I have 4 times 4, that's going to give me 16. But my area is not 16 because I have this section over here that doesn't exist. It's kind of been cut out of this square. So let's find the area of this square right over here. So the length of this square is 2 square units, and then the length of this square is 2 square units. So if we do 2 times 2, that means the area of this part that's missing is 4. So I have 4 square units I need to take away. So I have 16 is how much I calculated, but I need to take away 4 of those units to find the area of my shaded shape, which 16 minus 4 is going to be 12. So the area of this shape is going to be 12 square units. So this is 2 ways that we can use our math formulas to find the area of the shape. And if I want to check my work just to make sure that I calculated area correctly, because I have a grid, I can definitely count the number of squares that I have. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we do have 12 square units in our shape. So we are correct. The area is 12 square units. All right, let's go ahead and review today's lesson objective. So today we found areas by decomposing into rectangles. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today and going over this lesson with me. I hope this was a helpful lesson for y'all, and I'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye, everybody.